Welcome back to the channel Crazy Car, where we talk about practical vehicles that actually make sense for everyday life and business. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Suzuki Carry Van, a vehicle that continues to be one of the most trusted small commercial vans in many markets around the world. Even as we move closer to 2026, the Suzuki Carry remains focused on reliability, efficiency, and affordability, which is exactly why so many small business owners and delivery drivers keep choosing it year after year. The 2026 Suzuki Carry Van is expected to keep its compact and boxy design, which is perfect for tight city streets and crowded urban areas. The exterior is likely to feature subtle updates such as a refreshed front grille, slightly sharper headlights, and improved aerodynamics. These changes won't be flashy, but they will help the van look more modern while staying true to its utilitarian roots. The tall roof and wide sliding doors continue to make loading and unloading cargo simple and fast, saving time during busy workdays. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Carry Van is expected to offer better comfort and smarter use of space. While it's still a work-focused vehicle, Suzuki is likely to improve seat cushioning, add more storage compartments, and update the dashboard layout. A basic infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports may be included in higher trims, making it easier to stay connected on the road. Air conditioning, power steering, and improved sound insulation are also expected to be standard or widely available, depending on the market. Under the hood, the 2026 Suzuki Carry Van will probably continue with a small, fuel-efficient engine designed for durability rather than speed. A 1.5-liter petrol engine or a similar unit is expected, paired with either a manual or automatic transmission. The focus remains on low running costs, easy maintenance, and strong performance when carrying heavy loads. Improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions will help the Carry meet newer regulations while keeping fuel expenses down for owners. Now let's talk about price, which is one of the biggest reasons people choose the Suzuki Carry Van. For the 2026 model, the expected starting price may range from around $10,000 to $13,000 USD, depending on the country, trim level, and local taxes. In some markets, higher spec versions with additional features may go slightly above this range, but overall, the Carry Van is still positioned as one of the most affordable commercial vans available. In conclusion, the 2026 Suzuki Carry Van continues to prove that you don't need a flashy design or expensive features to get the job done. With its reliable performance, practical interior, and competitive price, it remains a smart choice for small businesses and individual operators. Terima kasih sudah menonton di Crazy Car. Semoga video ini bermanfaat dan jangan lupa untuk like, share, dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.